not my normal content, but I got a package from Moose Toys from the Digital Circus show. They have a new episode actually right now on Netflix, and so I had to do kind of a pomni Christmas look. I don't know if I achieved it.
I think you did.
You think I did? This is my son Gavin, and we watch the show. My daughter's here too, but there's not enough space for everybody. So we are going to open this box. They sent us one of their toys. We're so excited. We've been waiting and waiting.
We never had time.
We never had time. And you got sick, and then we had all the school parties and stuff, and we just haven't had time to open it. If they like the show, this is the way to go.
Yeah. What?
Just trying to rhyme. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know how to open this. This is like a puzzle box or something. I don't know what's going on here.
I think you have to...
Or do you just push it? I don't want to rip it.
Maybe you pull it out.
Oh,
my God.
yeah. There we go.
Oh.
Gavin, you are so... da, 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 da. Whoa. Now, I think they have a... Oh. My God.
Oh my
I
God.
thought we were getting one.
Good, look at Pomni.
Oh, look at Pomni.
Her eyes.
I thought we were only getting one character. We got 4. Oh, look, it's the alligator guy.
Oh, gummy goo.
I never even knew what his name was. I liked him. What's this guy's name? Kinger?
Kinger.
Kinger.
Kane.
Kane.
And Pomni.
Oh, he cracks me up. Pomni. She's our favorite. Clearly.
I didn't know we would get 4.
No.
I thought we were going to get this one.
Look at how cute. How tall are they? I don't know. 3 or 4 inches tall. There's Pomni. Look at the eyes. What's going on there?
That's when she was losing it.
Oh. Most of the series, I think. There's that guy. There they are. What's that one's name? Kinger?
Kinger.
He's soft. Look at this guy. Oh, they're so fun. Really accurate. Well made. Oh, look, this one opens.
What?
Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, can we look at that poster thing down there?
Yes. Poster.
Oh.
And what does it say?
Do not call this number.
I think we should. I
I
think we should definitely call it.
Calling that.
I think we should definitely do that. Allie, can you take this? I know we haven't gotten.
That should have been the first thing you did.
Why did we not? Can we give a shout out to the shirt, by the way? He found that just like a few minutes ago and realized how perfect that would be. He put a Christmas shirt on because he was trying to go with me, but found a shirt that kind of matched the whole series. And here comes Pomni. Aww. What's wrong with her eyes? What are her eyes doing? Oh, I see.
She went
I remember.
crazy.
I remember.
Where's Pomni? I want to hurt her. Hurt her? Allie! Jeez!
Don't hurt her. Allie, you hold her in. Gavin, you hold this guy.
I mean hold her.
Okay, well, hold her up. Put her in the camera.
It's hard to...
I know. Go opposite of what you think.
Okay.
Go up, Allie.
I can't... Allie.
Now. Put him up close so we can see him. Allie, get her in. Not that close. Thank you, Moose Toys. Thank you, Moose Toys.
Them.
We love them. Collect them all.
Ow.
Happy holidays.
Okay.
Okay, very good.
We gotta go watch something right now.
I know, we haven't finished the new episode yet.
I know.
Oh, it says they're available on Amazon. I'll put it on my list.
Okay. Well, okay.
Link in bio.
When you turn the Allie, okay.
Allie?
When we turn the camera off, we have to call that number.
Yeah, we'll go call the number.
Okay.
Look at how fun. Thank you so much, Moose Toys. We had so much fun with this, and I used it for a whole look. So, there you go. I'm a makeup creator.
And I just made her a bracelet 2 seconds ago.
And he made me a matching bracelet, and we love to collect toys. So, anytime, we'll be here. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. Allie, say bye.
Bye.